Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix that the form is not accepting any responses. So for this you have to go to the form first, then you have to click on the three dot icon from the left hand side, I mean the published icon from the top navigation bar, and make sure that the accepting response is turned on. And if it's turned off like this, then you have to simply click on it, then you have to click on save, and it will simply now accept your response. But if that's not working, then what you can do is go to the Google, then log into that account that you are using currently for your form. Then you have to click on the square option from here, then you have to click on the drive. After that you have to make sure that you have enough storage in your drive. Here you can see my storage is 1.13 GB or 15 GB. So if your storage is full here, it will most likely that the form will not accept any responses. So if you would like to expand your storage, what you can do is go click on the get more storage, and here in the get more storage you will get lots of options to purchase the more storage. And the second thing what you can do is delete the unnecessary files that you don't need currently in your drive, so that you can get more storage. And after that, if you try, then it will most likely to take responses from now. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.